Hi everybody, my name is Willie. I'm busy fixing the fridge, and this fridge, it was tripping the power, which means the step one was this compressor. This compressor, we call it the Imbraco compressor. That is when it was inside. After testing with a tester, I found out no, this is a many thing on the compressor. That's why it was tripping. But I start by step one. Step one, I disconnect whole wire by the fridge. This wire is going the condenser fan. That is a condenser fan. You can see under there is a condenser fan is turning. I disconnect that wire for condenser fan off. After that, I disconnect evaporator fan for the inside the fridge. You can't even see it because it's covered with something there on top there. I disconnected that fan. After that, I tested compressor himself. The time I tested the compressor himself, this is Imbraco compressor, and the trip. After that, I test the fan. The fan did not trip. After that, I tested also evaporation fan inside. He did not trip. After that, I confirm it is this Imbraco compressor is dead. And then I was tested 100%. Now it was beeping between the body for this compressor with the pin for the wire inside there. Means live in the neutral was beeping, and the live with the earth was beeping, which means this compressor is dead. And then after that, I tell the client to go and buy compressor. He buy new compressor. You can see the box. That is the box for this new compressor. After that, I install it inside. That is one. And now the fridge is working. Fridge is working 100%. It's making cold already. And it was a R134A. Yes. And you can see the gauges. Where is the gauges is 100%, is by 20 PSI. Thank you so much. Follow me and subscribe, comment. Thank you.